Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn personal pronouns in German. So let's start. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word you use instead of a noun when you do not need or you don't want to name someone or something directly. For example, he, she, it, you. Personal pronouns in nominative case. Ich, I, du, you, er, he, es, it, sie, she, wir, we, ihr, you, sie, they, sie, you. Personal pronouns in accusative case. Mich, me, dich, you, in, him, es, it, sie, her, uns, us, euch, you, sie, them, sie, you. Personal pronouns in dative case. Mir, to me, dir, to you, ihm, to him, ihm, to it, ihr, to her, uns, to us, euch, to you, ihnen, to them, ihnen, to you. Here we can see ich becomes mich in accusative case and mich becomes mir in dative case. Du becomes dich in accusative case and dich becomes dir in dative case. Er becomes in accusative case and in becomes im in dative case. S remains same in accusative case but S becomes im in dative case. Z remains Z in accusative case but Z becomes ihr in dative case. Wir becomes uns in accusative case but uns remains uns in dative case. Ihr becomes euch in accusative case but euch remains euch in dative case. Sie remains sie in accusative case but sie becomes ihnen in dative case. Sie remains sie in accusative case but sie becomes ihnen in dative case. Here is an easy way to learn it. Ich, mich, mir, du, dich, dir, er, in, im, es, im, sie, ihr, wir, uns, ihr, euch, sie, ihnen, sie, ihnen. So, that is all for today. Thanks for watching.